how's everyone today? Anyway, I'm making dinner. So tonight I'm making baked chicken and potatoes. So you can see I just chopped those potatoes and I marinated the chicken last night. So what I did is I marinated it with garlic, extra virgin oil, olive oil, and lemon, black pepper, and salt, and paprika. So this look good and smell good already. So I'm just gonna wait for my oven to get hot. So I put it on max. So maybe I need to bake it for an hour, maybe. I'm not sure. I'll just check it if it's ready or not. So yeah, I'll come back and show it to you later. Okay, so it's ready. I put a foil paper on top of it. And it's ready to go to the oven. Okay. The cover is hot. This is ready. Let's switch it now. Okay, so now I'm going to have early dinner. Can't wait to try this one. Some potatoes. For me. Okay, so let's try this. Anyway, thanks for watching and we'll see you again next time.